Come on, Mum, the surprise is just up ahead.
Do you mean that's my car?
And now we have finished destroying the car.
Oh my God! What's happened?
Mum! Yo, stay back!
I'm gonna be pulling the most savage prank ever done on YouTube. You've seen people destroying their friends' cars and surprising them with a new one. But today I'm gonna be taking the idea and flipping it. Because today I am surprising my mum with a brand new car, then destroying it. Now guys, I'm gonna lose loads of money pulling off this prank and probably a few limbs if Mum gets hold of me. So if you guys could subscribe to the channel, that would mean the world to me. And also I'm giving away a brand new iPhone and the winner is announced at the end of the month. And all you have to do to enter is subscribe to the channel and watch till the end of the video. And before you guys all comment down below saying I am the worst son ever, after the prank I'm going to be giving my mum $10,000. Well guys, that is if I'm still alive by then. But guys, without further ado, it's time to begin the prank. Let's go find Mum and surprise her with a brand new car. Hey Mum!
What the hell are you doing?
Hey Mum, I have something to tell you.
Oh no! What have you done now? And why are you filming me anyway? Are you up to something?
No Mum, I actually have a really nice surprise for you.
Surprise? Is it mealworms or slime? They're the usual surprises I get from you.
No Mum, this isn't a nasty surprise. It's a nice surprise.
Oh, I don't believe it. Morg's being nice. I think I'm gonna cry. Morgan, I'm so excited for my surprise.
Don't worry Mum, you're gonna love it.
Come on then, Morgan. Where's my surprise? I can't wait any longer.
Mum, it's at a surprise location.
Ooh.
I'm gonna take you there right now, but you need to be blindfolded.
Wait a sec. Is that Louis Vuitton? Can't I just have that instead?
No!
Fine.
Okay guys, we're about 10 minutes from the car garage. And Mum still has no idea where we're taking her. I cannot wait to see how she's gonna react. Well, that is after we wake her up, of course.
Hey Mum, wakey wakey!
What's up, Morgan? What's happening? Where are we?
Whoa, Mum, I woke you up to tell you we've arrived at the surprise location.
Oh my God! I am so excited, Morgan. What is it?
Come on, Mum, the surprise is just up ahead. We're almost there. Are you excited?
Morgan, I am so excited. What is it though? What is it?
You'll find out in just a minute.
Whoa! You're not trying to walk me off the edge of a cliff, are you?
No, I'm not.
Where is it, Morgan? Where is it? How far away is it?
Mum, we're almost there. Just keep walking.
Is it something big or small?
It's a lot bigger than you, that's for sure.
Can I eat it?
No, you can't eat it. Here we go, Mum. Just a few more steps and we're there.
I'm so excited, Morgan. Morgan, what's happened? Why have we stopped?
Mum, we've stopped because we are here. Right in front of you, Mum, is the surprise gift that you've been waiting for. I just have one question. Are you ready?
Ah, I'm ready.
Well then, guys, let's do this. Kind of obvious.
I think that's your driving test and you want to get a car. And is this it? Is this your new car? Great choice, Morgan. I'm so proud of you. Congratulations.
Oh,
well done.
thank you, Mum. Unfortunately, Mum, I haven't actually passed my driving test yet. I haven't even applied for it.
I don't understand, Morgan. If the surprise isn't that you're getting a car, then what are we doing here? I don't understand. What's the surprise?
Well, Mum, I told you earlier I had a surprise for you.
Do you mean that's my car?
Mum,
Have you bought me that car?
Mum, that's your car. That's yours. That's your car, Mum. I bought you that car. That's what we're doing here. You've always wanted a convertible. You said it yourself.
Really, Morgan? Are you kidding? Is it really mine?
I'm not joking, Mum. This is your car.
I just can't believe it, Morgan. Is it really mine?
It's yours.
I wanted one of these for ages. I've been trying to save up.
I know, you've always said you wanted a convertible.
Oh, wow. Morgan, have you really done this for me? Have you really bought it? Oh, Morgan. Oh. It's been my dream to have one of these. I didn't even know that you knew about it.
Mum, you always mention about a BMW convertible. How you've always wanted to drive around the streets with the roof down, wind blowing through your hair. Well, you can now.
That's right. I will drive through the streets with the wind blowing through my hair, like I've always wanted to. Thank you so much, Morgan. This is a dream come true.
Guys, this is it. We are now inside the dealership. We are ready to finalize it all and sign the paperwork. Mum, what do you think? Should I do it?
It's up to you, Morgan. Yeah, do it.
Done. And there it is, Mum. The car is now officially yours. And I guess now there's only one thing left to do. Drive it home.
Let's go.
Mum, are you ready to drive?
I'm ready, Morgan. Before we drive, I think there's one thing we need to do. Let's get the roof down.
Mum, what do you think?
I think, Morgan, we need to go for a drive.
Mum, let's start this bad boy up. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Well then, let's do this. Mum, check out what's just to our left.
You know what, guys? Seeing as it's such a special occasion, I'll have 5 Big Mac meals, please, and 1 large Diet Coke. Guys, this is such an emotional moment. My first McDonald's in my new car. Wait a sec, Morgan. Where's the cup holder? Well, it looks like there's no Coke for me.
Guys, we are home. Mum, now that we're back home, I just have one question. How was your first drive in your new car?
Morgan, it was amazing. I've never had so much fun driving before. I think I'm in love with a car. Me and Martin are going out for a fancy date later, and I'm going to drive him in my brand new car. I'm so excited. Woo! Oh, wait a sec. See you soon.
Guys, I am now back from the car dealership and oh my gosh, that was insane. Mum is so happy with her new car and I feel so bad about what I'm about to do to it. But it's too late to back out now, guys. I have to destroy it. I just hope she doesn't kill me before I have a chance to give her the $10,000. Now guys, before we go out there and destroy Mum's new car, we need to be prepared with the right set of weapons. I think I know the perfect place to go. Okay guys, we've arrived at the DIY store. Let's get in there and let's get those weapons.
first weapon I bought from the store is this giant sledgehammer. Next up, I bought this huge saw. The next weapon, and possibly the deadliest of them all, this sweeping brush. At least I can use it to clean up Mum's car after smashing it everywhere. Next up, we have these two spiky, pokey things. I also bought two small steel hammers. I also got a throwing axe and even a tennis racket. However, the most important equipment I bought is the safety equipment, because safety is #1 priority. Okay guys, now that we've got our weapons, it is time to destroy the car. But I think we could use some extra help. Hey Martin, do you want to help me destroy Mum's new car?
Can't do that, Morgan. She'll kill me.
But Martin, it's fun.
Let's do it.
Okay guys, this is it. It is time for the moment you've all been waiting for. 3,
Go on, Morgan, do it. Do it.
2,
Go on, Morgan. Let's have some fun.
1.
Go on.
Ugh. I can't do it.
Morgan, give it here.
Whoa, what are you doing? Martin? Martin! What are you doing?
2.
Oh! Oh my god!
3.
He's not actually gonna do this, is he? Oh! Martin! Look what you did! You actually did it! I don't believe it!
Morgan, there's no time to hold back. It's time to destroy this thing. And take that stupid jacket off too. You look like a traffic light.
3, 2, 1! Oh, that was fun! Whoa!
I'm loving this.
I call this the swinger! That was insane!
Oh yeah? I call this the pile driver.
Wait, what's he doing up there? Oh! Oh my gosh! Yo! Oh my gosh, he's going crazy up there! Oh my gosh! Martin's lost the plot!
Morgan, am I doing a good job?
Yeah, keep going. Well, Martin, that was epic. We did a great job. Mum is going to be so angry after that.
I'm not finished. I'm just getting started. This is going to get messy.
Martin, you got to be careful with that thing. That's an axe. That's an axe. Oh. 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 Martin, there's glass everywhere.
There's going to be more glass in a minute. 3, 2, 1.
Wait! Hand it over.
Wait a sec, Morgan. What are you doing?
Martin, what does it look like? I'm trying to take the roof off this thing.
Morgan, you're not going to be able to do anything with that little stupid tennis racket. I know what will do the trick. Why don't you try using this?
Martin, great idea. 3, 2, 1.
Well, your mum did say she likes the wind in her hair. Hey Morgan, check this out.
Martin, you think that was cool? Check this out! Whoops! I think I missed.
Not bad, Morgan, not bad.
Anyway, Martin, Mum is not going to be long and we still have a lot more destroying to do. So I think this calls for one thing.
Ooh, we should go and get McDonald's.
No, it calls for a destroying montage!
You're right, Morgan. Good idea.
destroyed the windscreen, popped the tires, dismantled the rear bumper, ruined the interior.
But guys, there is still one thing that we need to add. The silly string.
And now we have finished destroying Mum's car.
Hey Martin, I'm ready.
Hey Jill, you look nice.
Thank you. Are you ready to go?
Yeah, who's driving?
Me, Martin. It's my car. Martin, I'm so excited to drive my little baby again. I've been looking forward to this for the last 2 hours.
Oh, come on then, let's go. Quick.
I don't know. Do you think we should just have the roof down?
Yeah, we'll have the roof down, Jill.
You don't think we'll look like posers or something?
No, definitely not.
And you don't think it's too cold to have the roof down?
Oh, it's not too cold, Jill.
Mum?
Oh, Morgan. Oh my God. What's happened?
Surprise! I saw how much you loved your new car, so I thought I'd do a little bit of customizing it, you know?
Oh my God. Why? Why, Morgan? Why the hell did you do this? Why? Why, Morgan? I just want to know why. What's happened? There's a hammer in it. Why have you done this to my car? Why did you buy me this? Just so you could do this to it or upset me? Do you think that's funny? You're crazy. This is not right. Martin, what do you think about this?
Yes, Jill. It's terrible. I don't know what type of person would do such a thing.
Morgan, you have 5 seconds to tell me why you have done this. You better start speaking now.
Mum, if you want the truth is, it's all been one big prank.
You mean you bought this car just to do this? You knew you were going to do this all the time. Speak!
Yes, I'm sorry, but it's all just been a prank. Whoa, Mum, what are you doing? Mum, what are you... Yo! Mum! 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 Yo! Yo, stay back! Yo! Mum! Stay back! Hey! Yo! Wait!
Do you think this is funny, Morgan? I thought you changed Morgan since the prank wars, but you haven't. You're just a prankster, and this time you've taken it too far. You know what, Morgan? I'm not angry. I'm just disappointed. I'm disappointed in you.
Martin, do you think it's time to tell her about the $10,000?
You better do, Morgan. And quick.
Mum? Mum?
I don't understand it, Morgan. You didn't spend any of my money. You didn't gain anything from this. Did you just do it just to crush my dreams? All that for a video?
Yes, Mum. However, the video isn't over.
What do you mean the video's not over? Are you going to set the car on fire now?
No, Mum, I'm not going to set the car on fire. And quite frankly, Mum, I think you deserve a better one. Here's $10,000 for you.
I can get an even better one now. Was this your plan all along?
Yes, it was, Mum.
You're not going to destroy this, are you?
No!
I'm getting out of here just in case. I'm getting another